So you know how to make you know how to make 8 counts, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, bam. So his students, I will let him apply that applications by movement. So ito like upload, side, side. So when you say block, start and load, like number 1. So we practice, students practice. But me, if the instructor want to practice also the 8 counts, so that the students will try to find moving. So I will do like this also, block. So I'm practicing the 8 counts application na. So block, here, me. At this first one, I go, and then I let the students move, go. Block, here. The second one, I stop, then I try to make the tondo. Here, I stop, then I make the tondo, come back. Then again, number 3, like stashing down, right? So they go like this, come back. Here, number 4, that is me. I try to let the students like making moving, like let back, they come back. This step. So 5 and 6, it will be like that, same like abanico, like that, variation 2 of group 4. So, number 7, I let the students dropping down, like cutting the head, and back. And number 8, the last one, same, then back to the position. At least now you have that. You have the application of the 8 counts with movements. At least it's good. Like, you've been learning like how you will apply that. Okay.